Hey guys, this is Matt from the Geek Circle, and in this video I'm going to be taking a look at the Cherry MX Switch Sampler. So I've been looking into buying a mechanical keyboard for a long time, and a few weeks ago bought a key sampler for the Cherry switches. If you don't know what this is, it's just a board that contains one of each type of Cherry switch, which are a certain brand of keyboard switch. This board just allows you to try out each of the different types of switch so that you know which one you want in your keyboard. In the box, you get some switches, some keycaps, and a board to hold the whole thing together. The Cherry MX Red, which has a linear feel, so no bump, and is recommended for gaming. The Black, which is the same as the Red, but takes more force to actuate. The Brown, which has a tactile bump but no click. And the Blue, which has a tactile clicky feel, and is recommended for typists. When I eventually buy my keyboard, I think I'm going to go for the Blue, and I do the most typing and moderate gaming. If you've liked this video, leave a like, and make sure to subscribe, it really helps me out. Thank you guys for watching, bye.